Have you ever heard about jammed projects? It's like traffic jam for project organizations. Nobody's talking about it, but it is very common. Maybe more than half of the project budgets gets wasted because of it. My name is Jan van Egmond. I'm project management hacker. Jam project is when too many projects start piling up and when people have too little time. Then projects get jammed. And the damage of jammed projects can be huge, really disruptive. It causes delays, budget overruns, firefighting, escalations, conflicts, broken promises, tension, piles of pending projects, confusion, poor communication, misalignment. Bottom line, everything projects are notorious for. Maybe this is the cause. Well, when you think that preventing jam projects is a great topic to make videos about, then hit the like or subscribe button. Then I post more videos like this, and it will help other professionals like yourself to also find this video. I hope you want to do that for me. Well, let's take a closer look at what is causing it. Projects typically start jamming when the pressure to start projects is high, when people have too little time. When organizations miss overview and run behind the facts. But this is a real dangerous mixture. It is like speeding during rush hour through too narrow streets with fog. Also, uncontrolled measures, ad hoc interventions play an important role, as if the traffic lights have been stirred up and let projects pull up at the same moment. Now you get the picture. What the streets and the crossings are for cars and cities are the pipelines and the bottlenecks for projects and project organizations. Now you understand that also organizations need a kind of traffic control system. And that is what a pipeline manager basically is. It shows where the projects are right now, what is coming up, keep the roadmap updated, gives forecasts. It also controls when to start new projects. It should alert when the projects get started too early, when projects get started too late, and signals when the pipeline runs empty and when the pipeline gets jammed, and when projects are at risk. It adapts when the velocity in the pipeline changes, and it adjusts the control levels when the velocity fluctuates. When you look at all those basic features, you realize how important they are. But you might also be concerned about the amount of data needed and the level of detail. How difficult this might be to learn or how difficult it might be to use. But don't worry, it's really simple. You even don't need detailed plans for it. It works when you just have ballpark figures and rough estimates. Getting started is a matter of filling out a couple of spreadsheets and then you're ready to go. But maybe your situation is really special and unique. Then I want you to know that I work for project organizations for 30 years. I know your concerns. And with your concerns in mind, I have designed this pipeline manager. I designed it for when you need to plan projects across the organization and when resources are shared between projects. When project managers are bad in keeping their plans up to date. When people are reluctant to change how they work. When there is no broad management buy-in for it. When you need to make commitments when there are no plans yet. When executives regularly bypass the process. When you need to mix small and large projects together. Because that is how ordinary project organizations really work. This is for ordinary project organizations. Let me recap. Jam projects are in all project organizations. They cause a lot of damage, but nobody is talking about it. A pipeline manager is the traffic control system for project organizations to create a steady and stable stream of projects. My name is Jan van Egmond. I'm project management hacker because there are better ways that are easy to learn and easier to use. When you like this video, then hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this and discover new project management insights, then follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're ready to take the next step or want to help your clients with this pipeline manager, then contact me directly. Thanks for watching.